You how to send link in Monopoly Go. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to send link in Monopoly Go. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what we need to do is to just head over to our Monopoly Go right here. And then this will load for a while before it launch. As you can see, it is loading right here on the bottom, so let's just wait for it to reach 100%. So right now we have now opened our Monopoly Go. So let me just quickly close all of this. And then in here you can also see this friends right here in the bottom. So click on friends right here. And as you can see right here, we can actually invite a friend by sending them a message or a link. So right here, if you click on this, so click on invite, and then this will open up this, so you can just copy this. So this is the link, so you can head over and to your any social media account. So for example on Messenger, so if you want to send someone your link, so you can just click on this and send them this, and as you can see, it has now been sent. So if we can head over again to Monopoly Go, and then this will refresh because we actually closed the conversation or the app earlier. So let's click again on friends right here. You can also click on this contacts right here in order to share it to friends on your contacts. So that's the whole process. I hope you learned how to send a link in Monopoly Go. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!